Hi guys, in this video I'm going to unbox the Galaxy Buds Plus. So this Buds Plus comes together as a promotional package with the Galaxy S20 Ultra. So I have applied a week or two ago and finally it has arrived. So let's see what's inside this box right here. So this box by itself, it should be a seal. So if you're getting one without a seal, just double check and make sure it is genuine. So I'm just gonna open it up right now, and I'll just cut that, and then we're just gonna try to pull it out. There's another one over here that we need to cut, so I'll cut this one as well. Okay, now that we're cut on both sides, I'm just gonna take it out. So there's at the top here, there is a menu. So we'll take out the menu as well. We'll take a look at that later on. Let's first take a look at the buds. So here it is. It's got a shiny case over here. And then this is the buds. So when I open it, it's already got battery charge in here. You can see it goes straight to green. And then here's the buds itself. So in the buds, it's also already got the rubber piece on right here. So let's zoom in a little bit so we can take a look. So that's the buds right there. This on the left hand side, and this is the right hand side buds. So there it is. So this is the buds right here, and this is the rubber piece to block out the sound. So just trying to put it back in. There it is. And then there is a small microphone around here. There is a sensor over here. And then two metal contact for charging the buds. And this is the case. There is a light in front telling you whether the battery is in full or empty, so you can see if it's charging or not. So when I close, the light quickly goes green and then it goes off. And at the back here, there is a USB-C charging port right there. And for the information, there is some information at the back here, and it says it's made in Vietnam. Then over here in the box, we got one USB-C cable. So one USB-C cable to charge the buds. No charger with this one. There are few of this replacement. So there are two of them. Let's pull it all out so we can see what's in this box. So we got a backup. So two on each side. So this rubber piece here, there are 4 pieces, and then there's this ring. There are also 4 pieces, so you're allowed to have once this one gets dirty or damaged, we can replace it with a new one. And so these are the backup in case the other one worn out. And that is everything inside the box. And here is the menu. So let's see what's inside this one here. So you got the quick starting guide, warranty card. So the starting guide show you how to use it, and that's it. So hopefully if you got it, hopefully you enjoy your new Galaxy Buds Plus. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.